Hi guys, today we are gonna read some Bluey books. And the Bluey book's name is Panda. This is Bluey and Bingo's dad, Bandit. Good day, Bumblenuts. He loves cricket, playing footy and spring rolls. He thinks he's the best driver in the world. Bluey's not so sure. He's got some seriously sweet moves and some smelly ones for it. But best of all, Bandit loves playing with Bluey and Bingo. Is the operation finished? Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed. So like and subscribe and share. Hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.